Okay, the materials that we're going to use today are, we need scissors, we need watercolors pencils, we need one brush, we need a paint pot, it doesn't matter the color, we need masking tape, and if you don't have masking tape you can use any kind of tape, it doesn't matter which kind. So well, the first thing that we're going to do in this picture, we're going to convert this drawing in a mold or in a stencil. So the first thing that we are going to do, it is to cut here in the middle, and after that we're going to cut in all of the outline of the drawing. Up here of this drawing, we're going to cut all of this line. So look at here, I'm going to cut here in the middle of the page or in the paper, and then I am going to cut all of the outline of the drawing. We're going to cut all of the curved lines, take into account to cut all of the structure, all of the outline here in this case. It doesn't matter if you cut not in the correct part, but try to cut in the correct line. Most of the lines are curved. Look at here, and now I'm going to continue in this part. I'm going to cut all of the structure, all of the outline. Look at here, and I'm going to finish here with this line. Okay, I already finished, and we have here the mold. Well, so now we're going to add a little bit of tape or masking tape in this part of the paper, like in this way, and in this moment we don't have here this cut. So now we're going to take a little bit of paint. It doesn't matter the color, you only are going to take a little bit of paint, only a little bit. You don't need a lot of paint, you need only a little bit. And now you are going to put your stencil over the paper, and now you are going to apply here in this way. Look at here, in this way. You don't have to add a lot of paint. You can make textures, as you can see, and you don't have to apply in all of the paper, excuse me. You only have to apply in some parts of the composition. That is going to give you a little bit of texture in the stencil of the seal. Okay, look at here. If you can see, there are some parts of the composition in where you can see white, the white of the paper. So this is going to be interesting in this composition. After that, you're going to take out the stencil, and now we're going to use watercolor pencils to describe the outline of the seal. So look at here. I'm going to take here my blue color and I'm going to describe all of the outline of the seal. We're going to draw curved lines in all of the composition, and after that I'm going to take another color. For example, I'm going to take the green one and I'm going to draw all of the outline. Cut here. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to take the brown and I'm going to make the same process. Now I'm going to take the red one and I am going to copy the last line. It doesn't matter the distance that we have between the colors. It doesn't matter the distance that we have between the colors. You can change that distance between this line and this other line. Now I'm going to take a purple color and I'm going to draw another line. Okay, and you are going to continue with this process. And in the last part of the composition, we're going to add black here in this outline of the seal. And we're going to draw the eyes and all of the different parts. Here I'm going to draw the eyes. I'm going to draw the mouth. Here a curved line. Here two lines to describe this part, and here these two lines to describe the tail. So, and if you want to add some details, you can do it. If you want to add here a shadow, you can do it. If you want to add a shadow here, you can do it. Here in the back side of the composition, you can do it. Maybe here a little bit. And here in the eyes, I'm going to add here black. And that's all. Here we have our composition.